Hey guys, this is more of just an appreciation video of just how far Samsung have come, that now we actually get Google Assistant built in to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Of course, now we all have it available on the Galaxy Watch 4, but it's been too long till we actually got our hands on a official version of Google Assistant on the Galaxy Watch 4. So it's actually just such a blessing to see the Galaxy Watch 5 offer it without the need to resort to third parties. And it's as simple as that. So we can activate Google Assistant. Yes, thank you very much. Note I am connecting this somewhere within the battery test, but hopefully shouldn't make too much of a difference. Let's see. So for the sake of the battery test, I'm not going to activate this just yet, which keeps Google activated and ready for whenever you need it. I'm going to skip this for now and come back to it later. So this will be in about 2 to 3 days when the watch dies for the first time. So personalized results, I don't need it at the moment. And we can talk to Assistant with the button, this is what I need. So it is ready. Great. That's all. So hopefully we don't have any more trouble with this. We've got Bixby. So I've just come through to the settings to change what the home key registers for, and we'll put it down to Assistant. And now, what's the weather going to be like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in London, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 28 and a low of 18.
What bliss. That's what we love to hear, Google. Brilliant. So, at long last, we finally got it, guys. Brilliant. So, yeah, the battery live test is still going, so I'll update you guys on that in a couple of days. It's going quite strong. Just a quick spoiler, 83%, and we're about 2/3 of a day in, so looks pretty good. So, thanks for watching. This is Rack signing out. Peace.